crazy or what? Walker's like, no, I just wanted to drive.
Yeah.
So this documents the second way to position 2 when climbing Mount Rinjani by motorbike.
It's a lot quicker.
Yeah, a lot faster. Walking all the flat land. Yes, today we start our trek with our trusty Morel hiking shoes. Morel Moab 3 waterproof. Rock on. That's a hint to you, Morel. Sponsor us for our volcano treks. All right, here we are leaving position 2, heading towards position 3. The start of the hiking. Let's do it. Actually, what I do when you get tired is literally just take like granny steps. No, not even joking, like walk like your granny. It keeps moving and you actually make progress, but you don't get so tired.
What are you doing, monkey? Back off.
What's up, monkey?
Bro made eye contact with me and started moving forward. I'm like, you better.
You just smelled like a leaf or something.
Okay, stay away from the edge because the side can give way. And then Ellie takes the lead. I'm all about this downhill shit.
Yeah. Hate uphill. I know what you want to do.
Crossing the infrastructure bridge.
Yeah.
Very safe.
It is. So what did you say happened in the earthquake? Like this whole crack?
Yeah, just landslide.
Oh wow, okay.
But this is not earthquake happened. This one is lava.
This
It
is
was,
lava.
yeah, 1994 eruption.
Okay.
Eruption in 1994.
Okay.
The big eruption. But the last eruption in the volcano start 2016.
16, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. I saw videos on it. Here they say it erupts every 2 years, and it's long overdue for an eruption. Always happens on the 20th day of June. Stay on the side, quarters coming through. Oh wow, look. Position 3. Post 3. Oh yay.
Ellie, it's right here.
Almost, baby girl. She's right here.
Yeah, Ellie, it's right there.
Shh. I already told her. Don't say a word, I already told her.
Man, you sweaty.
Yeah. Ellie, motorbike rides, and then post 2 to post 3. How you feel? No words, okay.
It was too amazing.
Watching man Randy Savage. Post 2 to post 3, how do you feel?
Good.
Okay. How do you feel? Post 2 to post 3. Perfect. I feel good. We've walked post 2 to post 3. Nico, how do you feel?
I feel
Good, alright.
yeah, that's my bum.
Bum is good.
Yeah, bum's good now.
Alright, let's rest and eat.
Ellie, dust tornado.
Alright, it's Walker. We're here at position 3.
Yeah.
Good food.
We'll make it another one.
motorbike ride and a little bit of hiking so far.
That was a little bit.
A little bit. Ellie's sporting a Wears Cake shirt. Elena is what's that?
Perfect.
Perfect. Elena's perfect. As always.
Non, c'est gentil, merci. Ouais. Moi, je veux pas ça, je sais pas.
Ellie's eating watermelon.
Yeah, it's been season.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Did I get another watermelon?
Thank you.
Gracias.
It's okay.
Position 4.
There were a few moments.
I didn't know this at first. I thought you were going to go.
Position 4, yeah. You did it.
Stop there.
Position 4. Ellie's there.
Get my phone out of here so I can
Yeah. You made it first. High five. Rock on, baby girl. All right.
all monkeys up here.
You made it. You did it. You did it.
Yeah! Good one.
And I'm falling.
Oh my God.
Oh, wait for Elena.
Elaine chick getting up.
Yeah!
She's not last. She was making sure Walker was okay. Bali mama.
Yeah. I did it. Yeah.
Hey, high five to the camera.
Walker.
In the forehead.
Too tired.
All right. We are on the top of Mount Rinjani for the first night on the rim, where we will use our 2 tents, bunking 2 in a tent. Here's our porter's tent, their tent and cooking area. You see them inside working magic. This is the view of the mountainside and the view inside the volcano. You see the lake down there, and that little smoking portion is what's left of active part. And this is the scenery where we are right now. The thing is so much trash up here. All right, and my coffee's ready.
Mon. Eh, Mon. Sini dah bentar. Lari, lari. Kece, Mon.
Beautiful up here, as you can look down on the clouds below you. pretty amazing. Where's Cake Travelers? I'm here with Walker. It's between 2 and 2:30 a.m. on top of the mountain. It's time to start our trek to the top. The summit. It's cold, it's dark. Tonight the wind did not blow. It wasn't that cold. So it was a good night's sleep, unlike last time up here when the wind was blowing and howling and everything. Positive thoughts we're gonna make. It's cold, it's windy, we didn't sleep last night.
Because someone snored so loud.
Somebody snored louder than me.
No.
People were snoring and farting and talking in their sleep and groaning. What's that?
There was one time last night that the wind came up the mountain. It was kind of cool to listen to.
Oh yeah, I did hear it blow a little bit for a moment. I'm not going to record too much from here on out, maybe a little here and there, because you've all seen this part before, the trek to the top. Where I will start recording is when we go down into the crater, because we did not do that last time.
Although if you do it now, it would be better because I'm here.
Well, we'll record some way. Someone will leave at the top. Yeah.
Okay.
So, anyway, let's do it. Here we are, 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. on the top rim of Mount Rinjani, catching the sunrise. Today, our trek is to go down into the crater and swim in the lake and or hot springs. Some of the trekkers have gone and ventured up to the very top. We've already been there, so we decided not to do that. So we've just left the rim on Mount Rinjani and we're headed down into the crater. Gonna swim in the hot springs in the lake maybe. But some new beautiful views from down this way, down this path that I have not been yet. Got a seat inside the volcanoes over there, which you can't see from this point, but the volcanoes and the little camping village down there.